Well, welcome to midlife. We're back out skiing, actually skiing on a Sunday for a change. I don't normally go out on the weekends, certainly not downhill, but we're out at Chicopee today skiing with family. Yeah, Chicopee is a hill that we used to spend a lot of time at when my kids were small. All three of my kids learned to ski here. I haven't been back actually since my kids grew up and have moved on from skiing. Last time I was here was with my daughter. She's down in the Maritimes now, so it's a small hill. It's only 200-foot vertical. Good place to teach your kids to ski though, which is why we used to come here. Alright, well this runs Apple Bowl. Again, none of these runs are long, but at least gives you a chance to get out. Up and down, up and down, up and down. At least the single lines aren't so bad. All right, this is roughshod. So Chicopee is actually one of 3 hills that we've got within an hour of where we live. We're all about 200-foot vertical. All good to get out for an afternoon with the kids, but that's about it. Alright, so this is Chicane. So we used to come here with our kids. They actually had a chairlift on the back side of the south side of the hill. And there's a couple of runs over there. I used to actually like it over there. But unfortunately, they closed that chair and they haven't built another one since then. So this is the only side to ski on, unfortunately, these days. Anyway, this is Nick Mac. We're going to go down and see if we can find the kids. I'm not sure if this is Micmac or whether this is North, but now I'm on the other chair. It was fun to get out and actually ski with my 3 little nephews for a bit. A couple of hours with them. Thoroughly enjoyed it. So that's the whole reason why I come to Chicopee. It's because you got your kids skiing there. And this is North. This is always one of the busier runs at Chicopee. Lift lines have been good for a weekend. I spoke too soon. Alright, this run's called Easy Rider. So Chicopee, Boulder Mountain, and Glen Eden, the 3 little hills that you can ski on in southwestern Ontario. I think Chicopee's probably the best for families. Glen Eden's got the best hill, but you know, Boulder's got a nice chalet as well. You know, if I was in London, that would be fine as well. But we spent a lot of time here at Chicopee. I used to appreciate when you could get a 2-hour pass, because that's about as much time as I need to spend on this hill. And now they force you to get a full day pass, which is an awful lot of money for this little hill. Anyway, it's still good to get out with your family. All right, well, we'll take the easy way down. Well, it was fun hanging out with the family at Chicopee today. The main reason why I would come to this place, as I mentioned earlier. If you made it this far in the video, thanks for watching. Thanks for checking out Chicopee with us. We're heading up to Mount St. Louis for our next day out, so thanks for watching again, and we'll see you in the next video. But that's it for today. We got family waiting for us.